Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can apply a credit note to a bill in Xero, so let's get started. If you have an outstanding credit note from a supplier, Xero lets you easily apply that credit against an unpaid bill to reduce the amount you owe them. And the most straightforward way to begin this is by going directly to the bill you want to pay. First, navigate to the business menu and select Bills to Pay, which takes you to your purchases dashboard. And then you'll click on the Awaiting Payment tab to find the specific bill you wish to apply the credit against. Once you open the bill, look towards the bottom of the screen where you'll see a section detailing any credit available for that specific supplier. This only appears if an approved credit note for the same supplier and currency is already in the system, waiting to be allocated. In that available credit section, simply enter the amount of the credit you want to apply to the bill in the designated field. You can apply the full amount or just a portion, and then click the Allocate Credit button to confirm the reduction. Once the allocation is complete, the bill's outstanding balance will immediately be reduced by that credit amount, and if the credit covered the full amount, the bill's status will instantly update to paid, ensuring your accounts payable is accurate and you don't overpay your supplier. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.